Happy holidays, everybody. It is your girl, J Ross, back with another video, and welcome to the second day of 12 J's of Christmas. I'm your hostess, like I just mentioned, J Ross. I hope you guys did enjoy video number one or day one, and I'm back with another one because we're gonna keep this thing going. So in this video, I'm kind of putting to the test for those of you who are buying makeup for makeup lovers. Is it worth getting the dupes of a palette? Now, I'm not saying that what I try in this video is going to be the end all to be all or be all to end all. I know what I'm trying to say of like all dupes, but thought it would be good to put it to the test during the holidays because like I said, if you're buying makeup for a makeup lover and you really just want to be nice and not just, you know, cheat and do the gift card, I thought it would be good to help people understand a dupe can be just as good. So I'm testing out volume 3 of the Mini Pro palette compared to the Kara Beauty Laid Back palette. By the way, if you are watching this video and you have not purchased from Kara Beauty but you want to really try them, I did in this video, still use the code Jacqueline Tries It. Use Jacqueline Tries It's affiliate code because she's awesome. So I recommend supporting who I love to support, and Jacqueline Tries It is legit. So check out her affiliate code for Kara Beauty. I've done many videos on Kara Beauty by now and I use their products often. So yeah, check the description box for the code. Like I said, Jacqueline Tries It to get money off your purchase from Kara Beauty. She didn't ask me to do that, but I had to give a shout out to my girl. So anywho, I'm gonna put these to the test. So I'm going to do the Kara Beauty on this side and I'm going to do the ABH on this side. And yes, there will be another red festive look because of course me and my baby Jackie Skeleton are we red, white, and black over here. So there's gonna be another red look. But hopefully it turns out different than what yesterday's look was. But it is what it is. Y'all gonna love the festive holiday looks anyway because y'all love me, right? Because y'all subscribed and y'all follow me on Instagram. Okay, y'all are? Okay, cool. So this is the Kara Beauty Laid Back palette. Open it up. Here's what it looks like. And then this is the ABH Pigment Volume 3, Pro Pigment Volume 3 palette. I will open that up for you guys. So as you guys can see, the dupe is bigger in size, but these shades are pretty much spot on, maybe just shuffled a little bit in the dupe to kind of be like, we are really duping. I'm gonna go ahead and use the palettes, fast forward through the look, but you guys will still be able to see what I'm doing. Like I said, once again, the Kara Beauty will be on this side, the Anastasia Beverly Hills x Norvina will be on this side. But first, to be equal and fair, I'm going to use my Fenty Beauty Pro Filter Amplifying Eye Primer on both eyes because like I said, I'm gonna be fair. I'm not gonna use something I'm not used to, even though these are both brands that I've used from before. Let's just be fair and use my favorite primer. Okay, so we're gonna stop here to discuss the elephant in the room. Anastasia Beverly Hills Shimmer apparently wanted to come out more pinkish than silver, which is what I was going for. I wanted that, like, you know, Santa hat looking look, which this side clearly gave me. But this side is more an iridescent pearlescent, iridescent, whatever you want to call it. So that's clearly not what I'm going for. So to give my thoughts before I go ahead and apply the silver from the Kara Beauty palette on this side, these two reds on the eye for the Kara Beauty side, they look the same, but these two reds on the Anastasia side, one, which is this one, is more pinkier. That's bringing out the more vibrant red. This is more deeper, more darker. but when you blend them out, you can still see the vibrancy on this side, but when you blend these even separately, they basically turn out to be the same color. So I want the more silver looking side, so I'm going to apply the Kara Beauty silver, like that top left corner shade, to this eye, just to even things back out. But you guys heard my thoughts about the palettes and what I see the differences are, but you'll hear my final thoughts about dupes in general for Christmas gifts when I wrap up this overall look. So yeah, stay tuned. I'm gonna go ahead, do the rest of this eye. Alright guys, so this is the overall final and finished look. Let me know what you guys think in the comments down below. I pretty much have already told you my thoughts about how I feel about the palettes, so to say, but I don't think I've wrapped up how I feel about dupes in general. If you are buying for a makeup lover, or if you're a makeup lover in general, dupes aren't always like, oh, it's dupe, it's a dupe, it's cheap, it must be a reason why it's like only like $20 less than the original one, or $40 or whatever many dollars less than the original one. But no, dupes are really good qualities. It just depends what you're getting and what you're trying to dupe. If you're always trying to go for the dupe that are going to match the exact same when it comes to like shimmers and dual chromes and stuff like that, you won't always get that. I'm pretty sure I've said it before, but when it comes to trying to match Huda Beauty, Pat McGrath, Glamlight, anything like that, if you try to duplicate those certain shimmers, dual chromes, those type special shades, you won't get that. The mattes, you may be a little bit better when it comes to matching with dupes, but as far as like those shimmers, those special like metallic shades of like just beautiful reflection, you may not get what you're looking for in a dupe of those brands that I mentioned, or any other brands that are known for their shimmer formula. I actually do like the Kara Beauty palette, and I like that I like the silver look more than the iridescent pinkish look that the Anastasia Beverly Hills one gives off. In terms of the other shades, let's see if the other shades, I'll swatch those really quickly. So whoa, that's really pretty. Oh, I forgot I have foundation on that side too. And then this is the Anastasia one. I actually like Kara Beauty's better. Let me try to get a better swatch of the Anastasia one. All right, let's try this again. Very close, but I don't know. I think I like more of the orange reflect in the Kara Beauties than the Anastasia, but they're both very beautiful shades. Don't get me wrong, they're both very beautiful, but I think I like Kara Beauties on that one. But in terms of like texture, they are both very gritty, kind of like a pressed glitter, so to speak, but it's kind of like that gooey type pressed glitter. All right, let's try these blues. All right, I'm gonna do Kara Beauty again first. Ooh, wait, you guys can't see the other reflection that I see, but that's a gorgeous blue. Let me see, is it on my finger? Yeah, it's like there's an iridescent purple in that one. Like, I wish it was showing up on camera, but it's really, really pretty. Like, from this angle, I see purple. From you guys' angle, it looks blue, but it's really, really pretty. All right, the Kara Beauty one is definitely more softer in terms of like how it feels. Kara Beauty did very well when it comes to like showing off the reflection of the purple, for sure. Anastasia maybe more like a turquoise teal blue when you see the normal shade, and then that's more of a sky blue for the Kara Beauty. But very beautiful shades, completely different but very beautiful shades. And like I said, Kara Beauty, from my angle, both of the purples are showing up the same color, like that reflective purple, which I really wish my camera would pick up. You guys see it? Like, it's pretty spot on when it comes to reflection, but in terms of the blue, Kara Beauty is more of like a sky blue, and then Anastasia's is more of a a turquoise, teal, aqua. I done listed 3 different colors, but you know, you get the point. Also, something different in this palette is the pinks. So in the Cara Beauty, the pink is a matte, and then in the ABH one, it's more of a satin matte. So the pink is literally like, has a little shimmer to it, but the Cara Beauty one does not. It's strictly matte. Cara Beauty again. I'm not swatching these the best, but then again, do I ever do good swatches? Not really. This is Anastasia's. Can't really see the shimmer, so to speak. But in terms of how they look, I feel like the Cara Beauty's is a little bit more cooler, and then the Anastasia's is a little bit more warmer. It's not bad to buy dupes for holidays, for gifts, if you're a makeup lover in general. I don't think they're bad, personally, my opinion. Now, it's those knockoffs that will get you, and that could be very dangerous, like the ones you could get from like AliExpress, maybe eBay, something like that. Like if you see an exact replica, but it's like super cheap and the ingredients don't match up of the original, those are knockoffs and can be dangerous. So be very careful of those. But dupes, so to speak, are different. They are different. They are different.
Second of all, you know I'm vacillating here trying.
Anyways, that's all I have to say. I hope you guys really did enjoy day 2 of the 12 J's of Christmas, aka Countdown to Christmas. Once again, I am your hostess, J Ross. Please like, share, and subscribe to this channel. And for those of you who are like, Jay, you didn't do a giveaway yesterday. Like, when are you gonna do them? Today is going to be giveaway day. So if you are watching this video, first of all, thank you so much for watching, and I hope you brought somebody with you. If you're watching this video, go ahead and comment down below your Instagram name and something that you wish to have for Christmas. It could be makeup related or not makeup related. Just comment down below. I mean, not saying I'm buying your wish list, but I'm just saying, just let me know what you guys are thinking of getting, you know, or hoping to get for Christmas this year. And your gift from me to you is a $25 Visa gift card, so you guys can, you know, either put it towards something that you want that you didn't get for Christmas or whatever. So yeah, it is going to be US only. I still haven't figured out how to get cards to be like international, especially if like the currency difference and all that. So bear with me on that, but this one is US only, $25 Visa gift card. I know it may not be much, but I just want to give you guys something to kind of spoil yourself this holiday season, even if you just get some food. It is what it is. Again, thank you guys so much for watching. I hope you really did enjoy the second day of 12 J's of Christmas. I hope you guys come back for more. And like I always say, I hope you guys are staying safe, happy, healthy, and blessed. Don't go wrong with dupes. And like I said, make sure you are subscribed and follow me on Instagram for more content and more giveaways that may not always be on YouTube. Love you guys, and I will see you guys in my next one. Happy holidays. Peace.